Hi, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude. I am going to share a switch number for cough with phlegm. This can be used along with the general cough switch number I had given. Or it can be used by itself also. Write it in red on the left side of your body. Chant it many times. Depends on the intensity of your cough and when to do it when you have cough. The switch number is 24307914. I repeat, 24307914. Do it and get rid of your phlegm cough. Thank you so much for joining me, Deepa Rani Shekhar from Transform Life Programs. Love, light and gratitude.